Funny sound effects YouTubers use. Have you ever heard a sound effect in a video that is stuck in your head but you couldn't find it? Where do YouTubers and content creators get their sound effects? Well, on this page, myinstance.com, you can find all the effects you've been looking for, from meme sounds to video game noises and even viral sounds for TikTok and Instagram Reels. No need to give your email to download 1000 outdated sound effects, of which you will only use 12. Just choose a sound effect and you can download as many as you need. As an extra, all the sounds are sorted by the most popular ones up to the moment in your country, so it doesn't matter what year it is, you will always be up to date. I didn't even know I wanted this. Follow me for more tips with your phone.